And we have life jacket too.
Yeah, so it's fine.
But you don't have glasses.
Yeah, I'll have to.
Then you cannot open your eyes. Because it will hit your eyes.
The water?
I think so, yeah. But it's fine. You can feel the temperature and air.
I could probably see what's going on though.
Okay. And then take off your glasses.
If we stay on top.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's really cool.
Turn the camera off. Let's play, man.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I will.
Got it now.
Yeah. Got it now, yeah.
Alright, you first.
But I don't. But the camera can't tell who's throwing.
Yeah.
You gotta put the camera back there, so we can see how good.
It's on YouTube.
Go ahead.